Hi and welcome to this episode. Here we can see that the villain is trying to speak to the soldier and the plan it will be about setting in free a Deinosuchus and this Deinosuchus will make chaos in the river of Melbourne, a place located in Australia. So the Deinosuchus here is in the water when there actually Deinosuchus had seen a deer and probably Deinosuchus will be able to kill it and eat it obviously. And we know Dino Tracker will have a plan actually and then well here in the case it happens. So then the net tracker group has made a plan where also they will be in the city. Well, seeing some animals that aren't free in that case, they can also see that instead of a little animal, there's also a massive dinosaur. In this case, it's a herbivore, and it's the Ouranosaurus. So the Ouranosaurus is nervous because it's in a place, well, it's in a city, so the Ouranosaurus needs a safe place. So that's why the Ouranosaurus gets mad. So then the girl called her and the Ouranosaurus was able to understand what to say. So the Nutcracker group was free and the Ouranosaurus is in a cage right now. So then after that. So then the Ouranosaurus was walking and then another group had made a plan to catch and capture the Deinosuchus. So that's why but the problem is that some soldiers of Xerxes' company are there also. So the problem starts with this. So the group of the Nutcracker were also in the river of the jungle in this case especially and then they were trying to talk about this and then two girls were in another side and saw a kangaroo that the poor kangaroo is being a prey of the Dilophosaurus. So here in that place there are also Dilophosaurus, a part of Deinosuchus in these jungles. So the plan right now would be defeated because then some soldiers saw it though and start shooting the poor Dilophosaurus. But the problem is that the Dilophosaurus ain't alone because also they've got the Deinosuchus. So Deinosuchus were versus Dilophosaurus who will win. That's obviously in the case. So then the group hasn't got no idea what to do, and the girls start escaping of the Dilophosaurus. However, this case the Dilophosaurus is sleeping. Then the Deinosuchus was eating the Dilophosaurus, but the man shot him, so the Deinosuchus is also asleep, and now will be in a cage again. So then right now we can see that in the city there are many Dimorphodons flying, and the Deinosuchus is making a lot of chaos, and also the Deinosuchus is trying to capture and kill a poor deer. The Deinosuchus has got many problems, and right now the Deinosuchus had me something wrong to the poor boy and also the girl he's there and she's ready to help me but they are in problem right now because Deinosuchus are about to kill them but the problem is Ouranosaurus start escaping and Ouranosaurus use its legs to pull down and not try to kill the Deinosuchus, try to make something a separation of this carnivore with herbivore because actually the herbivore will get a connection and that's why the Ouranosaurus has won this time but the poor Deinosuchus is still alive. So that's all the episodes we can get and obviously a Sexus company will still continue selling some dinosaurs, and obviously the plan will be more bad until they realize about the truth.